This has to be it! Holochain is going to soar, and this is why you need to buy it now. It is often tempting to buy crypto, which does not even sum up to become a penny. However, is it always worth the risk? Well, we will talk about a special token today whose worth is going to pump to its highest by the end of this year. Wait, that's only 1 month more. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you will get to know why you should invest your hard-earned money into its crypto. If you are new here, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss out on any new updates from us. Also, before starting this video, please be reminded that this video is no financial or investment advice. This video is made only for informative and educational purposes only. Please do your own research before investing in any risky investments. On that note, let's begin. Holochain is a unique peer-to-peer distributed decentralized application that focuses on building decentralized applications not using blockchain technology. The concept is very different from what we have been hearing all this long. Holochain is a different universe altogether from the blockchain. The network or both are not the same. Holochain is built to serve as a flexible bridge between the broader internet and apps built using Holochain. This chain also offers a beautiful marketplace for the accessibility of its dApps, and they are hosted on the internet by the Holo network. The network started to get immense attention after it was made known that it's different from the blockchain. In addition to this, because of its concept and positive results, Holochain is giving quite the competition to the blockchain. Now, in the market, there will be two most prevalent networks to create dApps. Also, Holochain came sometime after blockchain. That's why, on a usual basis, it has to be better than blockchain or blockchain better and modified version. Let us begin with the network's native token, which has been Holo's price since the start of this year. Holo, which is a peer-to-peer distributed platform founded by Arthur Brock and Eric Harris Braun, is an ERC20 compatible token. The token is created to act as a bridge representing the world of crypto technology. Since February 2021, Holo or HOT token has surged more than 4,000%, hitting its all-time high at $0.03 on 5th April. Given the token's price rally, it was not expected to come down, but unfortunately, due to the market crash, HOT came down and was in its consolidating phase in the last week of October. November saw a beautiful price rise in the token, where it rose to $0.16 on 4th November 2021. Why did Holochain start surging in the first place in April? Well, because Holochain is a new concept and not everybody knew about it. It had to require a patent. In March, Holo Limited announced its approval of a patent from the US Patent Office, which was, after this, the token's price saw a massive trigger. No coming to the difference, where blockchain's networking is a bit slower due to the involvement of lesser nodes and relies on crypto miners or a massive global ledger for any transaction validation. There, Holochain makes the use of individual nodes that helps the transactions faster and increases network scalability. That is the one big thing about this network, because it has been built so that it separately does not require looking over the scalability issue, which is also one of the three parts of the blockchain trilemma. The network can easily focus on the other two issues, security and decentralization. There is another significant difference between blockchain and Holochain. The dApps created on the Holochain and powered by the network do not require an intermediary for the users to control. Similarly, like any social media or any other service host, the users will automatically get complete control over their own data. Talking about the scalability issue on a regular blockchain network and why it is caused, well, the answer is quite simple. Blockchain's build enables the transactions to be logged on the Bitcoin blockchain, wherein a public log is being maintained of every Bitcoin transaction. A random computer validates the transactions on the Bitcoin network, which, of course, completes the mathematical transaction first for a proof-of-work system. Whereas in Holochain, for every chain there are individual nodes, and there is no public ledger. That reduces a lot of burden on the system. Instead, transactions are logged on each user's personal computer nodes. Therefore, no matter how great a crypto project on the blockchain is, it will face scalability issues as its prior concern. And because the system starts focusing on improving those, either the network's security or its decentralization becomes unnoticed. Not to mention, Holochain came 10 years after the release of blockchain, which was in 2018, It had to work better. Now that we have discussed HOT's potential, let's move on to its price prediction. Holo joined the market through an initial coin offering that took place between March 29 and April 28, 2018. It raised more than $20 million. The program was a success, which was bolstered by more market instability. During the ICO, the token was worth $0.0001. The next week, on 6th May, rates were raised to $0.002, and $1/3 billion was added to total capitalization. Then, the speed slowed dramatically, and Holo fluctuated between $0.0003 to $0.0006 lower till January 2019. Cryptocurrencies launched a new development phase in the middle of January, and there has been no substantial failure in the price of Holochain up to this point. The peak round began on 21st May, when one token was priced at $0.0022 with a market capitalization of about $300 million. However, the exchange rate has since plunged again, fluctuating about $0.0006864, with a market value of over $114 million. Holo is presently ranked 68th in crypto trading for this characteristic. There are high chances that the entire cryptocurrency market will see a huge price rally in the month of December, and there comes Holochain, which never fails to amaze us. Especially with the releases the network has been making, it is highly likely that we see HOT tokens spiking again to its all-time highs. The token recently saw its 3-month highs after bounced off its weekly lows at $0.0093 on 24th October 2021. As per the leading crypto analyst website Trading Beasts, Holochain's token is expected to rally towards its previous all-time highs by the end of this year, somewhere around $0.0278. The prediction from Wallet Investor is also somewhat at the same price. According to this website, HOT token is forecasted to trade for $0.025. In addition to this, Digital Coin Price predicted HOT token to run around $0.0248 by the end of this year. On the date of recording, 17th November, the token is trading at $0.012 with a red of 4.09% change in the last 24 hours. Due to its massive spike in the last weeks, the token appears to be consolidating and got rejected at a convergence point at $0.015 on 10th November. The buying force will be quite less during this phase, as the price moved to form an ascending triangle, but eventually couldn't break out. Since then, HOT has been falling gradually, creating a descending triangle which leaves an optimistic hope for another gradual price rally. This is primarily a correctional phase that will get overcome by time, especially after the network releases its new update. That brings us to the next question, which is, what are the positive catalysts? Since the last week of October, the network has constantly been releasing something new to fix the bugs on the network, improve performance, and reliability. A unique feature, Sweetest, which is a Rust-based testing framework for Holochain apps, was released on 28th October to help create conductors, load H-apps into them, and create those conductors together. After this, the releases stopped, but once again, Holochain amazed us with 3 new releases. The first poster among them was released on 16th November 2021, where in a tweet, the team posted, "The past few Holochain releases have focused on increasing resilience and adding features for developers. Right now, the core developing team is doing extensive sharding tests, adjusting the algorithm, and testing again." Now, if you don't know what sharding means, it is simply a database partitioning technique used by blockchain companies to enhance the purpose of scalability. In short, it reduces any sort of lags or slowness in the network. It is more like adding an SSD into your system. The 3 releases are yet to be made, and because it is going to launch around this time frame only, all of them will act as a positive catalyst, adding to the price rally for HOT token. If you haven't entered the HOT market yet, we suggest this is your time. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, then make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell notifications to never miss out on any new updates from us. Also, don't forget to comment below your favorite feature about the Holochain, and we will see you all in our next one.